today I am going to attempt making quesadillas. Did I say that correctly? Quesadillas. Yeah, I'm just about to head out to the kitchen. It is 7:02. You can see that's my cute boy Toby. He's so cute. But yes, I'm gonna go cook now, so let's go. Also, this light is so yellow and I don't really like my lights to be super yellow, but I also don't really know how to change a bulb and I think it's a bit scary, so I'm not gonna do it. Yeah. To the kitchen! Not to the salon, but to the kitchen! So these are our ingredients, or at least what I'm gonna use. I don't know if like it's what you normally use in quesadillas, but we got cheese, spinach, like some pasta sauce, capsicum, onions, garlic, carrots, tortilla wraps, and some pork. Because we gotta eat this by today. It's expiring today, the 4th. Yeah. And I forgot the corn. Here's the corn. So I've prepped my ingredients. This is the meat that I have sort of marinated. And I have prepared these vegetables. I have garlic, onion, carrot, capsicum, and corn. You can't really see the capsicum because they're like the same color. And we are going to start cooking now. Hiya! Go in, go in. Come on. Oh, go in. Okay.
Oh, actually, there, I don't know where I got some eyes.
Just like some random facts, you know? Like, I dated like last time I was here at the park.
Master Chef Me has cooked this, but who knows how it's gonna taste like, so I will try now. Wait, I didn't cut it properly.
Oh, it's not bad.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah! You wanna try some? Because I got a lot. Yeah. Oh, I'm covering the camera. This is really solid actually.
Yeah, it tastes damn similar.
The saltiness is like the fast food kind of saltiness as well.
Well, I feel like the confidence of like
You? Young Padawan, you have a long way to go.
I don't want to disturb people.
Hello. Hello. What's up? What's up? Hello.
Okay, let's see.
It doesn't matter. It's not like
Yeah.
It's a party.
We just tell everybody we're closing.
Hello. Now we're in action. I'm carrying this big bag of my rice and other stuff.
your makeup stuff.
Yes, I can put my. But the box not aesthetic. Oh wow. I can, yeah. Actually, that'll be great. For a cleaner desk. Which one should I take?
I think the blue nice. Yeah.
The blue is nice. This is the black.
It's just a blue. As the guys, you can actually get the phone.
Yeah. You can predict in the comments. So these are the different colors. Please comment down below. So I think I'm getting this one, guys, unless I change my mind, which might happen because I'm very indecisive.
Right.
Okay, now I can't change. She's going away.